morning, Saurabh.
Mhm.
Please have a seat.
Yes,
Saurabh, let's start the discussion.
yes,
So, Saurabh, you are a student who has been across different places, right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have been across even Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am. For 2 years for my preparation of IIT.
Okay. So, Saurabh, do you think that the geographical challenges of Rajasthan they impact the gender inequalities? If you think so, that is the case, then how does it happen? How the geographical challenges impact the gender inequality?
Yes, ma'am. To some extent, I think that geographical challenges do impact the inequality in Rajasthan because Rajasthan is mostly an arid area, and that's why it does not support major agricultural systems that are present in Punjab and Haryana, and that's why also the agricultural belt is not quite flourished, and also in terms of poverty also due to the past geographical features, there has been multi-generational poverty. So I think in that terms, I'm able to think right now.
Okay. So, what do you think can be the measures which can be taken up to address this gender inequality which is present across Rajasthan?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, gender inequality in Rajasthan is mainly due to various cultural norms and also due to lack of law enforcement there. And also there has been certain alternate channels through which justice is delivered in mainly Rajasthan. Not it is widespread, but it is present. So I think these challenges can be dealt through public outreach campaign, mainly through awareness mechanism and strong enforcement of laws with zero tolerance related to certain practices like uh, child marriage and also child labor. So I think these measures can be adopted, ma'am.
Okay. You have been also in Odisha, right?
Yes, ma'am. Currently,
Uh,
I'm studying.
so, what do you think are the three important challenges which have been faced by women across Odisha? And what are the three important challenges across Delhi? So, how are the challenges with respect to women different across Delhi and across Odisha?
Ma'am, in Odisha, the tribal population is very high, and the women are not an active part of him labor force. So I think the challenges is different in terms of first is labor force participation rate. In Delhi, it is more about safety, and in Odisha, it is more about domestic terms because first is the tribal population are not able to cope up with the challenges that are due to mining sector in Odisha, and secondly, they also face a lot of domestic problems in terms of not allowed to participate in labor force. While in Delhi, girls are mostly allowed, and basically it is of more modern nature in terms of the glass cliff, and they are not able to advance to later stages now.
Okay. Also, you have lived across Kharagpur.
Yes,
So, you have also lived across Udaipur. So, what are the three important differences that you have seen across Kharagpur and with respect to Udaipur? What are the three important differences that you have seen with respect to the living conditions?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but I have not lived in Udaipur and only lived in Kharagpur.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So, you mentioned in your draft that with respect to Udaipur, right?
Udaipur.
You worked.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, I had a posting, but it
Yes.
was in completely online mode. In
Okay.
2 months due to
Okay.
second wave of pandemic. So,
So, what are the three important differences that we can witness with respect to Udaipur and Kharagpur
Yes,
with respect to the socio-economic conditions and the living conditions? So, can you identify any three of them?
yes, ma'am. First is Kharagpur is sparsely populated, while Udaipur is moderately populated, and that's why the socio-economic challenges also vary. Ma'am, in terms of only women or general population?
General socio-economic conditions and the living conditions there.
Ma'am, in Kharagpur it is sparsely populated, and the economy mainly depends on the college in Kharagpur and also the railway station in Kharagpur. So, and well the socio-economic condition of people of Udaipur mainly depend on tourism. So, I think it is slightly better in Udaipur because Kharagpur has multiple potentialities not currently developed, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What do you think about startup ecosystem? Does it has prospects across Rajasthan? If so, identify any two key areas where the startup ecosystem has the potential to emancipate the socio-economic conditions across Rajasthan.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first is that Indian startup ecosystem is heavily skewed towards the tier 1 cities, and that too in certain sectors only, like tech and quick commerce. So Rajasthan inherently faces certain challenges related to funding also and the entrepreneurial mindset also. So I think the two sectors that can be adopted in terms of Rajasthan is first the education sector. Also the Kota and places like Sikar is quite famous for education. So I think in that terms, first is education sector and second is e-commerce sector. The startups like Miso can be adopted in Rajasthan because there are many places in Rajasthan that have very unique products that are suited to their geography only. So if they are promoted, then they can be a great market for rest of the India.
Okay. With respect to startup ecosystems, do you think that the potential of the local resources has still not been harnessed? If that is the case, then does the startup ecosystem has good potential across Northeast region on the basis of harnessing the potential of the local resources? If so, then provide any two examples across Northeast region.
Ma'am, local resources in terms of only mineral resources or any local resource?
Any resource, any local resource.
Okay, ma'am. Um, Ma'am, it is quite true because in India, the startup ecosystem is mainly concentrated in the Silicon Valley of India, that is Bangalore, and also Delhi and Kolkata. So the local resources has not been completely utilized, and that's why in Northeast region, the minerals are also not explored because they come under district council. So first is, ma'am, there can be a startup in the field of critical minerals that has also got quite a push from government. And second is, ma'am, in terms of the local products from Northeast that are quite popular but not marketed enough. So in that terms, local resources can be utilized.
Okay. Do you think that green revolution has adversely impacted Odisha? If so, then mention any crop which has been adversely impacted in Odisha because of green revolution.
Um, Ma'am, in Green Revolution, I think has not adversely affected at least Odisha. It has other wide-ranging impact in terms of monocropping and also quite popularity of rice in areas that are not suited to rice. But Odisha is quite suited to rice, and I am not able to recall any negative impact on Odisha, but I am aware of other negative impact that overall that has caused you to Green Revolution.
Okay. So, what do you think are two most important areas where you would want to contribute in the maximum potential as an administrator? So, are there any two particular areas in which you want to contribute specifically? So, what are those two areas?
Ma'am, first is I have a background in mining and engineering. So first is I would like to contribute in mineral sector. I think there has been a lot of potential in terms of there is old and recent technology that is used in India still, but there can be a lot of technology that can be adopted from Australia and Africa. And second is, ma'am, in the field of finance, I would like to contribute because in India there is huge potential for funding, but that has not been utilized properly for in every sector. So in these two sectors, I would like to work on.
Okay, so what is the current situation of market in India? What do you see the prospects 5 years down the line?
I'm sorry, ma'am, but which type of market?
Stock market.
Stock market.
Yes.
Ma'am, currently India is often ranked in top 5 stock markets of the world in terms of its listing in NSE, and recently it has also surpassed Hong Kong. So down the line, ma'am, it is, I think, according to me, it is very bright because India is a growing economy and most of the companies in India are reporting better earning. Though in recent times, it has FPIs are selling in heavy amount, so it has gone down quite a lot, and also corporate earnings are not well. But in terms of 5 year, I think it is very positive because if I are really going to come because the measures of Mr. Donald Trump is also temporary, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think are your two biggest shortcomings
Yes.
that hamper your personal growth?
And there are majorly two shortcomings that I think that I sometimes see them as strength also, but sometimes they emerge as weakness. First is reliance on emotion. I value emotion slightly more, and that impacts my rational decision making. But I try to uh, be away from emotions. And second is, ma'am, my rigidity towards a fixed schedule. I try to follow a schedule, and that sometimes is not adhering to the schedule of other people. So these two things, ma'am, when I'm facing, I'm not conforming with other people, ma'am.
Okay. But following a certain schedule, isn't it a positive aspect that you are very diligent and sincere while you are taking into consideration your studies as well? Isn't it a positive attribute?
It is a positive attribute for me, and I think it has benefited me also. But I think other people may not like our rigidity too much. Like we have to be flexible enough also.
So, how it is hampering your personal growth?
I think it is hampering my relationship with other people. In that terms, I was talking about. Like I follow a schedule, and other people may not like that. I value my anything that is important to my like studies or work also, and that impacts my relationship with other people, ma'am, particularly my family, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think that there is an undue stress on children to clear such examinations like IIT examination? And even when the students are able to clear this examination, then even after clearing the examination, they are under undue stress, and a lot of depression cases are being reported nowadays. So, if they are able to achieve their dream and clear this examination, then why is this stress scenario emerging in the students lately?
Ma'am, I think there are two aspects to this. First is before selection. The institutes like IITs and also NITs are glorified too much, and it is also true for medical institutes also. They are good in terms of their academic capacity and also in terms of their research capability. But they are glorified in such a manner that a person thinks that he has achieved everything just because of clearing this. So the stress comes from mainly from parents who expect their child to clear such an exam, and children and also parents do not always do the impact assessment whether children are even suited for this or not, and that also manifests in other aspect, ma'am, after selection, that we think of IIT of something else and it emerges just as a college which can provide us a better platform to launch our career. But students, uh, after realizing that they have not got what they expected, so they go into stress, and also the over competitive environment in IITs, the rigid curriculum, as well as the lack of opportunities that are being presented. Many students do not are not able to get placements, are not able to get research opportunities in foreign countries, ma'am. So I think these two manifest in stress and also leading to suicide also.
What are your two important learnings from your stay duration in IIT?
Ma'am, first learning is that I should build upon my network. Network is more important than anything because I was surrounded by smart peers, and that had impacted my growth also. I was able to learn from them. And second learning is being consistent enough. I learned from IIT itself. I was surrounded by people, and I to manage the studies as well as other thing. I learned from IIT, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Chenab River has been recently in news. Have you heard why River has been in news recently?
Ma'am, I have heard it, but I am not able to recall right now. But
Okay. Where does Chenab River originate?
Chenab River originates. I'm forgetting right now.
Okay. So Chenab River basically is comprised of two tributaries from where it emerges, okay, across Himachal Pradesh. And the two tributaries are Chandra and Bhaga. They
Yes,
merge at Tandi and then it becomes Chenab or Chandrabhaga.
yes, ma'am.
Now, this is a region which I mentioned is across Himachal Pradesh,
Yes, ma'am.
and this district is Kelang. So, what do you think can be some important challenges here which can be addressed with your engineering skills? So, can you identify any two problems which can be addressed by your engineering skills here across such a high altitude region?
In terms of water only or anything related to Chenab?
Anything related to this particular region which you can think of?
And one problem I can think of is in Kelong and also in the vicinity of Lahore Spiti, where the two rivers meet. It often freezes during the winter, and people at such a high altitude are not able to get water in winter. So first is with my engineering skills, I would like to build something from them so that they can get even supply of water throughout the year. And second, ma'am, maybe related to the dam construction on Chenab, but I'm not able to recall for that area.
Have you heard about the terminology ice stupas?
Yes, ma'am, I've heard it.
What are ice stupas?
I heard that it is I've just heard it, but I'm not able to recall.
Okay. So by the year 2015, how do you visualize yourself? What are the key things that you will be doing affirmatively?
By 2050, ma'am.
Yes.
First thing that I am aiming to get into civil services. So I would be able to formulate policies for the country. And second, ma'am, uh, I would like to invest in. I would like to invest in the in educational potential of myself so that I can continuously learn. I have plans to learn further into the public policy and also finance from foreign countries. And third, where I would work upon my relationship with my family and other friends so that I have a better social life now.
Okay. What do you think of the current scenario of the systems like marriage? Do you think that marriages are relevant in the contemporary social systems that are emerging in India?
Yes, ma'am. I fully support that marriages are still relevant, though there are new forms that are emerging in terms of the living relationship getting legality, and also the intercaste marriage, and also other forms of marriages that are emerging. But still, I think marriages are still sacrosanct in terms of Hindu religion and also in other religions also, with the elimination of various social levels. I think that marriage is still relevant, ma'am.
Okay. And what do you think about the changing demographic scenario? So recently it was in news that Japan by the year 2700 approximately will be having only one child. So why do you think such a scenario is emerging across Japan?
Japan is a country that has advanced demography. That is mostly old. While India's average is 29, the Japan's age is more towards older age. And people have a preference also there. The rate of marriage is going down, and also people have a tendency not to reproduce more. So I think these are the factors that are leading to a decline in total fertility rate of Japan.
And what will be the repercussions in such a society where there will be much of the aged population and possibly an inverted pyramid? So, what will be the three important repercussions for Japan by this year when it will be having only one child?
Ma'am, first is in terms of economic terms, as Japan would have much less working population, so the productivity would decline, and uh, the creative economy that is getting traction in recent times, it would also not be effective in Japan because of lack of innovative minds of in terms of children and other young population. And second is, ma'am, socially. As the older population was rise, the government spending on pensions and care economy would rise further, and that's why the earnings of young population will be diverted towards older population. So that also had a negative repercussion. And third is, ma'am, in terms of health, as the economy advances towards older population, then the issue of mental health and the care economy increases too much, and its burden is to be borne by government and other people. So these are the three impacts, ma'am, that I'm able to think of right now.
Okay. Have you taken any coaching for the preparation of civil services examination at any stage of the examination?
Yes, ma'am, I took the coaching at every stage.
At every
Yes,
stage.
ma'am.
Okay, so what do you think is the relevance of coaching institutes for the preparation of civil services examination? Do you think it is a necessity?
Ma'am, I would not call it as a necessity. It is not a necessity for every person, but I think coaching act as a guide for someone who are to clear any examination or to be trained for any examination. Civil services, particularly, people come from a diverse sector. So I think coaching act as a guide in assimilation of people from other sectors. And for me also, ma'am, I was from a technical background, and in civil services, we do require some knowledge of humanities background. So I think coaching act as a guide, but the potential and learning of every student is different. So it may be necessity for someone, while it may be it may not be good for someone.
Okay. Did you take any coaching while you were preparing for this IIT examination when you were aspiring to clear that exam? Did you take any coaching for that?
Yes, ma'am.
You did take any
Yes,
coaching,
ma'am.
right? Okay. So, if somebody is not able to afford for the coaching, what are two alternatives which you can propose? Okay.
Ma'am, first is that uh, the government is also launching many schemes, like in JEE, JEE Main, and also for NEET. the government is starting various portals on NPTEL and other sites also, through which they are giving practice question and also free resources to learn. So students should stick to that resources, and they should prepare by themselves, though it might not be as effective because coachings often provide better environment. But in terms of affordability, we can do that. And second is, ma'am, there are many NGOs and there are many persons who, after graduating from IITs or also from other fields, they are contributing towards creating a pool of money that can be attributed, but students are mostly unaware of that. So they should also take advantage of that money to fund their studies or any preparation, ma'am.
Okay, so let's assume you are currently in 12th standard.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you are given two options, whether to prepare for IIT or directly you can take admission in some of the other courses, okay, which are more relevant for the civil services examination, which can also synonymously be linked with your optional exam. So, for example, taking some of the art stream.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
which is the particular option that you will choose if you are currently in the 12th standard? What is the direction that you will choose here on?
Ma'am, I think because I am in 12th standard, I have not completed my graduation. So my state of mind would be completely different at that time. At that time, I may not be sure of joining the civil services. So, ma'am, graduation, I think that I would still be preferring to join IITs because my inclination towards maths interests me to learn some technical grounds. And in future, if I decide that I may be inclined towards civil services or any other sector, then it will become very easy due to the diversity curriculum of IIT.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Saurabh. Your
Thank you,
interview is over.
Thank you. Should I go?
Saurabh, just wait for 2 minutes.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll just call you. Come in, have a seat.
Yes, ma'am.
Saurabh, when is your final interview?
In 7th April.
7th April. You still have much time.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So see, what are my observations that I will be telling you? First of all, your confidence level is good. So when you entered and when you were initially talking with me, your confidence level is good, your posture is good, the way you are communicating, everything is good.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
And how you talk, that is also very refined. That is good. Okay, because we must not speak too much on that particular day. Otherwise, we tend to spread around and beat around the bush, right?
Yes.
So which is good. Okay, so you are maintaining a calm posture. You're not very aggressive. Neither you are very underconfident. Nothing like that.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
which is good. How you're presenting and how you're expressing that is very good.
Yes.
Okay, but the thing is that when the questions are being put up, so you have to be a bit more attentive.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because once the question is over, immediately our tendency should not be to ask the question once again.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, or a counter question, because sometimes that has happened during the interview today.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so if you are not very clear, so just take 1 second. Okay, take a pause. Maybe you are able to understand the question in a better manner.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, because if you will be asking many times the question again and again, then the examiner will think that probably the student is not listening to me very keenly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that can be the situation. And secondly, very importantly, for example, in the question with respect to Chenab, the origination region, I had given you certain hints also.
Yes, ma'am.
You know, that Kelong high altitude region and all of that. And I had not mentioned specifically with respect to water resources only. Then you must assume that this is a generic question.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
because the question has been put up to me that what are the challenges of this region and how your engineering skills can be utilized.
Yes,
Now take into consideration any of the challenge that the region is facing,
yes,
right?
ma'am.
तो आप कुछ भी बता सकते हो, water resources related to mining, etc. Whatever comes to your mind. Not necessarily you have to focus only on one particular aspect. So you can avoid, कि ma'am water resources, you must take into consideration broader aspect. Had that been the perspective, I would have mentioned
Yes,
that
ma'am.
talk only about water resources, right? So that
Yes,
was not
ma'am.
the case scenario. And similarly, across the other questions as well, sometimes I felt the similar thing. Okay, that you had asked many questions back to me again and again. Like in
Yes,
one of the
ma'am.
question, you mentioned about the resources also,
Yes,
right?
ma'am.
Mining and that. So see, mining is your domain.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
so you just want the examiner to ask you something around mining,
Yes.
okay, because that is definitely where you are confident,
Yes.
isn't it so? So you would automatically want the examiner to focus on those areas which are your domain.
Yes, ma'am.
But believe me, the interview can go in either of the two sides. One can be very comfortable position, they asked you all the questions, and that too also only around your domain, but still you got very less marks. That is also one case scenario.
Yes, ma'am.
Another case scenario that all the questions from your domain came and you were able to present very like in a very refined manner, etc. Okay, and you got very good marks. So any case scenario can happen, but the interview can also come in a direction, okay, from the themes which you are not confident about, which you know nothing about. Okay, then again you have to maintain your calm and composure. Even if 10 questions have been asked and you have not been able to answer 60-70% of them, but there are 2-3 questions where you played the game, okay, where you were able to express yourself. Okay, basically they're interested to know who you are, right? Why did you prepare for civil services in the first place? Okay, fine, it's possible that when you started studying for IIT, you are not pretty confident. Why I'm taking this examination? Because of family pressure,
Yes,
something like that. You do that examination and then probably you cleared it. Now you are in a scenario where you took a decision, where you prepared for civil services because you wanted to be here.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what I think, right? Because
Yes.
from your answers I was able to make that. Okay, but now suddenly when I asked you the last question, okay, now you consider yourself that you are now in 12th standard. Then why would you consider that situation where you know nothing? Now currently I'm saying that you can go back to the 12th standard, but now you're aware of all the pursuits.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपको ये नहीं एज्यूम करना था कि मुझे नहीं पता होगा तो मैं आईआईटी एक्सप्लोर करूंगा एक्सेट्रा लाइक दैट. क्यों आप क्यों एज्यूम कर रहे हो कि आपको नहीं पता होगा? नाउ इन द करंट सिचुएशन ओनली आई एम सेंडिंग यू बैक, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
इट्स लाइक टाइम कैप्सूल काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग. ओके, तो आप वहां पे हो तो अब आपको सब पता है.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, फिर आपने खुद ही बोला था पहले कि आईआईटीज आर ओवर ग्लोरिफाइड,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So when you said that and also you mentioned about pressure from parents,
Yes, ma'am.
so it was seeming that you have taken this decision because it was over glorified. आपको पता नहीं था, एक पेरेंट्स का भी प्रेशर होता है, तो आपने उस सर्कमस्टांसिस में आईआईटी में एडमिशन लिया होगा. बट नाउ व्हेन आई एम सेइंग कि आप 12th में जाओ वापस, तो आप हो सकता है कोई और डिसीजन लेते, तो आप मुझे वो पुट अप करते ना कि
Yes,
मैम मैं उस समय शायद मैं, तो आपने फिर भी वही स्टैंड लिया कि मैं आईआईटी ही करता बिकॉज आई वांट टू टेक टेक्निकल एजुकेशन. तो
Yes,
ये
ma'am. I assumed
contradictory
here
हो गया.
wrongly. I thought that I am 12th standard without the current knowledge.
अच्छा चलो, अब सोचो अगर आप 12th में अब होते और आपको ये करंट सब नॉलेज है, तो आप क्या डिसीजन लेते?
Considering the current level of mind that I am sure of going into public administration, I would slightly explore the field that I am interested in. I am interested in more in international relations, so I will try to enter into that arts field of international relations, ma'am. So that and then also I will explore more about international, not only in terms of civil service perspective, but also in exploring more in terms of
Exactly.
other. Yes, ma'am.
That is what I wanted to hear from you,
Yes, ma'am.
right? कि ma'am, why only this? I would explore even more options.
Yes, ma'am.
I would not only explore this, right? And there is no harm in saying that yes, I can prepare for civil services even after my graduation,
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because currently you took mining engineering, फिर आपने मैथमेटिक्स ऑप्शन लिया. ये सब पढ़ना कितना डिफिकल्ट रहा होगा?
Yes,
कोई
ma'am.
पूरा ओवरलैप थोड़ी है, राइट? तो जरूरी थोड़ी है कि सिविल सर्विसेज भी एक बाउंड्री है. वी शुड बी ओपन टू एवरीथिंग.
Yes,
और
ma'am.
ये भी हुआ तो भी अच्छा है, नहीं भी हुआ तो भी यू विल बी लिविंग लाइफ हैप्पीली, कुछ और कर रहे होंगे.
Yes, ma'am.
तो उस समय 12th में मेरे पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है. अगर हम उस समय होते अभी की करंट सिचुएशन में, तो हम ऐसा ही क्यों ऑप्शन लेते कि जिसमें हम हिस्ट्री पढ़ के हिस्ट्री ऑप्शन करके पूरा
Yes,
टाइम यही कर रहे हैं. हम हो सकता है कि आपको कोई हॉबी आपका है, ट्रैवलिंग हो, कोई फोटोग्राफी हो, है ना? तो जैसे आपका वॉचिंग इन्वेस्टिगेशन, ये एक इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट है. रीडिंग मिस्ट्री, सस्पेंस नॉवल, डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज.
Yes, ma'am.
पॉसिबली मैं ऐसा कुछ प्रोफेशन चूज करता हूँ उस समय ग्रेजुएशन में, जो कि मेरे को एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलती है. मैं कुछ इसमें मीडिया में जाना चाहता, या
Yes, ma'am.
डॉक्यूमेंटरीज बनाना चाहता, क्योंकि आपका पैशन है ये,
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ना? तो मैं वो एक्सप्लोर करता और साथ में मैं जो पढ़ रहा हूँ उसको मैं बाद में सिविल्स की तैयारी करता.
Yes, ma'am.
बट वो नहीं आया आंसर में, है ना? तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि आपने जो पहला वाला आंसर दिया था, या तो वो गलत है, या जो आखिरी में दिया वो कॉन्ट्राडिक्टरी हो गए,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? क्योंकि मैंने आपको पूछा था कि आईआईटीज में जब वो बच्चे अनड्यू प्रेशर में जाते हैं तो उसका क्या कारण है, तो आपने बोला कि वो पेरेंट्स जो है वो सिलेक्शन के लिए प्रेशराइज करते हैं और आईआईटीज ओवर ग्लोरीफाइड है
Yes,
ना?
ma'am.
तो अच्छा, इसमें ये भी ध्यान देना है कि मैं क्वेश्चन क्या बोल रही हूँ, अब उसको थोड़ा सा पकड़ो, है ना?
Yes,
मैंने बोला था कि आईआईटीज में एडमिशन हो जाता है, अब बच्चे क्यों डिप्रेशन में आते हैं, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपने मुझे प्रिटेक्स्ट बताया कि इतना ओवर ग्लोरीफाइड है और बच्चों को भेज देते हैं। आप आईआईटी के बारे में कुछ बताइए कि वहां पर क्या स्ट्रेस फील होता है आपको, या फिर वहां ऐसे क्या कंडीशंस हुई जिसकी वजह से बच्चे क्यों डिप्रेस फील करते हैं, ऐसा क्यों होता है बताओ। जब आपका एडमिशन हो गया, अभी पहले का नहीं कि पेरेंट्स ने भेजा वो प्रेशर वगैरह, वो ठीक है, या तो उसका कंटेंट भी बनाते कि वो उसके बच्चे की अपनी चॉइस नहीं होने की वजह से आने पे ऐसा भी
Yes,
होता है ना, बिकॉज यू नेवर वांटेड टू गो टू आईआईटी
and
बट
also they are not able to get their desired branches also. It is related to rank, and once they enter,
यस
and also
दिस वाज अ गुड आंसर,
yes ma'am.
ये बोला था ना। और क्या रीजन है बताओ।
Other reasons are that once we go into IIT, we just one of the primary reasons that I also feel that in those students who prepare rigorously for 2 years, they often lack a social angle also. And once we go,
यस
yes,
वेरी
ma'am,
गुड आंसर ना,
that impacts
ये
mental
दोनों
health.
बहुत अच्छे पॉइंट है,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। और सोशल आप तो बिल्कुल इंटरेक्शन खत्म हो जाता है, यू आर सो मच इनटू स्टडीज, 13-14 आवर्स
Yes,
पढ़
ma'am.
रहे
It is
हैं।
very difficult to interact with strangers or
यस
person of opposite gender also.
वेरी गुड,
It is
यस
not even able to talk.
यस
Yes.
करेक्ट। एंड इवन इंटरेक्शन और वो सब चीज़ों में बाद में कितनी डिफिकल्टी होती है, एकदम से 4 साल के बाद ऐसे आप बाहर आते हो और फिर काम तो ऐसे इकोसिस्टम में
Yes, ma'am.
करना है, वेरी आई नीड टू इंटरेक्ट। तो दिस वाज द टाइप ऑफ आंसर व्हिच वाज
Yes,
रिक्वायर्ड। या फिर और कुछ बता सकते थे कि लिविंग कंडीशंस में प्रॉब्लम आती है
Yes,
सीनियर्स के साथ अडेप्ट करने में, और ये सब भी कि प्रपोर्शन ऑफ गर्ल्स बॉयज नहीं होता है तो हम नहीं समझ पाते हाउ टू इंटरेक्ट विद दी गर्ल्स एंड
Yes,
ये ऐसे करके बोल सकते थे। तो ये भी मुझे थोड़ा ऐसा लगा कि इसमें और अच्छा रिफाइंड आंसर चाहिए था। फिर एक और क्वेश्चन था जिसमें आपने पूछा मुझको कि मैम मैं तो उदयपुर में नहीं रहा हूँ,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, आपके डैफ में मेंशन है,
Yes.
तो आप मत बोलो अच्छा, या फिर बोल के आप सीधा आंसर बताना
Yes,
शुरू करो। आपने यू मेंशन दैट आई हैवंट लिव्ड इन उदयपुर, देन यू एक्सपेक्टेड मी टू आस्क यू अनदर क्वेश्चन, दैट वाज
Yes,
द
yes.
काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन दैट यू गिव मी, मैम आई हैव नॉट लिव्ड इन उदयपुर।
Yes.
So you can avoid that. Even if you haven't lived in Udaipur, so you can just smile and mention, sir, I was working in online mode. I haven't lived in Udaipur, but because it is mentioned in your DAP, so you should start the answers.
Yes.
But sir, the answer should be as follows,
Yes, ma'am.
as per my given knowledge. ठीक है, जहाँ आपको नहीं पता है, so आप एकदम ऐसे रुक नहीं जाओगे,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। आप एकदम आई डोंट नो बहुत बार ऐसे नहीं रुकना है एकदम,
Yes.
है ना। थोड़ा सा आप ब्रेक लेके भी, या तो आप बोलो कि सर आई थिंक कि ये जो डिफरेंसेस हैं जैसे कि दिल्ली और इसमें, अब ये थोड़ा सा ना रैशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट्स नहीं आ रहे थे यहाँ पे। जैसे डिफरेंसेस मैंने को पूछा था दिल्ली और एरिया इन उड़ीसा वुमेन को लेकर के।
Yes, ma'am. It is a constant. I am facing constant problem in this HR type of questions, and also in that type of questions in which I have to identify 3 things, anything about me also. That I am not able to.
Yes,
I
that
will
answer
explain.
also, that was not
I start giving generalist answer after
yes,
first point. ma'am.
yes. So see, what would have happened is that is when I'm asking you these type of questions, that difference between this and this, and even with respect to that question, now startup ecosystem is mentioned in your DAF
Yes.
very prominently multiple times. I've seen this theme. So you should. This point was very good. E-commerce Misho,
Yes, ma'am.
very good. But then you mentioned quota education sector. That means promotion of
Coaching.
coachings.
Yes, ma'am.
That is why I asked you a counter question later on. That is, do you think that the coachings are necessary? Then you said no. Now in the first point you are okay, इसको हम ज्यादा सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं कोचिंग को।
Yes, ma'am.
और देखो राजस्थान में तो बहुत सारे पोटेंशियल है, लाइवस्टॉक सेक्टर है, एग्रीकल्चर को तुमने निगेट किया, ठीक है, एग्रीकल्चर उतना डेवलप नहीं है, बट एग्रीकल्चर का एलाइट तो है वहाँ पर उसका
Textile
पोटेंशियल,
sector is also quota
Yes.
field.
lot of potential of textile, livestock, and for that matter of fact nowadays apiculture sector that is being prospered everywhere,
Yes, ma'am.
these options, right? तो अच्छा लाइवस्टॉक से तो सारे वो जुड़े हुए हैं या ट्रेडिशनल पैस्चुरलिस्टिक सेक्टर राजस्थान में, वो तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट सेक्टर है ना।
Yes, ma'am.
तो स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम को लेकर के क्वेश्चंस आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं।
Yes.
तो आपको क्या करना है, स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम को लेकर के वो वाला उसको अच्छे से पकड़ के
Yes.
उसको क्या तैयार कर लो अक्रॉस इंडिया, across different regions. What are the you can say potential of the local resources which can be harnessed,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना। तो 2-3 रिसोर्सेज ऐसे हार्नेस कर लो। फिर आपने फिर से माइनिंग पूछा था मुझसे नॉर्थ ईस्ट के लिए भी, तो नॉर्थ ईस्ट से तो कुछ भी बताओ यार, तुम्हारे ऊपर
Yes,
है ना।
ma'am.
वहाँ पर भी इतना सिल्वी कल्चर है, और जो लोकल ट्राइब्स है उनका पोटेंशियल कैसे हार्नेस होगा, बाय द लोकल रिसोर्सेज ओनली, है ना। वहाँ फिशरीज है, वहाँ पर भी हॉर्टिकल्चर का इतना
Yes,
अच्छा
ma'am,
प्रॉस्पेक्ट है ना। तो ये सारी चीज़ें आनी चाहिए थी। अच्छा फिर जो ये वाला क्वेश्चन है आपका, ये मुझे नहीं मज़ा आया, इमोशनल बैलेंस और रैशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग, है ना। देखो अगर आप बड़े स्ट्रिक्ट हो और अपना शेड्यूल फॉलो कर रहे हो, अच्छा एक आर्म्ड फोर्सेस पर्सन की क्या लाइफ होती है, उसका स्ट्रिक्ट
Yes,
शेड्यूल है।
yes, ma'am.
He'll wake up at 4 a.m. उसका ट्रेनिंग स्टार्ट हो जाता है, and by 6-7 a.m. when most of the people are sleeping, उसका डेली ट्रेनिंग रूटीन हो गया, फिटनेस शेड्यूल, he has to maintain that.
Yes, ma'am.
Now if somebody in the house is not comfortable, he is not doing something which is negative in connotation.
Yes, ma'am.
That is something that he is doing for his own growth, personal growth.
Yes,
And that manner only he can contribute to country also.
Yes, ma'am.
वो फिट ही नहीं है, उस याचिन में कैसे पोस्टिंग होगी उसकी,
Yes,
राइट। तो आप अपना स्ट्रिक्ट शेड्यूल मेंटेन कर रहे हो, वो आपके सोशल रिलेशनशिप्स को नहीं इम्पैक्ट कर सकता अनटिल एंड अनलेस आप कह रहे हो कि मैं किसी से बात करना ही पसंद नहीं करता, मैं इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ, है ना। आप अपना शेड्यूल मेंटेन करते हो, उसमें आप शाम को 1 घंटा अपनी फैमिली को दे सकते हो।
Yes, ma'am.
ये बात नहीं बनी, ये ऐसे लगा कि आपने उसको जस्ट
I made
ब्रश
up.
अप कर दिया, है ना, मेड अप हो गया। और रैशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग, इमोशंस इम्पैक्टिंग रैशनल डिसीजन मेकिंग। ना यार मेरा सजेशन है कि ऐसा हो सकता है कि ना ऐसे रियल लाइफ में यू माइट बी लाइक दिस,
Yes, ma'am. It is the real problem. Emotions.
but we can avoid mentioning this.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise what would happen, this was reflected majorly during our discussion. Now see, within a very short span of time I could identify some things from our conversation. Okay, so if this is the case scenario, that is probably why you choose IIT. And I can also think that this is probably the reason why he's wanting to go into civil services. Might be there is a family pressure. ये
Yes, ma'am.
रिफ्लेक्ट होता है ना,
Yes,
क्योंकि
ma'am.
आप इमोशनली तो आप नहीं कर पाते हो डिसीजन, तो फैमिली में प्रेशर आया और आपने बोला कि पेरेंट्स जो है वो सुनते नहीं है बच्चों की,
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये भी हो सकता है आप इसी की वजह से सिविल्स में आ रहे हो। तो यानी कि आप में कन्विक्शन नहीं आ रहा है। अब इसी को रिअफर्म करने के लिए मैंने लास्ट क्वेश्चन पूछ दिया, समझे।
Yes, ma'am.
तो ये एक तरीके से सिक्वेंशियली मुझे समझ में आ गया और मुझे ऐसा फील हुआ probably he does not want to go to civil services. हाफ हार्टेड सा एक है अटेम्प्ट, आप इंटरव्यू तक तो आए हो, ये तो आपका अपना ही एक बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है,
Yes,
आपका
ma'am.
हार्ड वर्क है, बट प्रोबेबली की प्रेशर है ये घर से, आप समझ रहे हो।
Yes, ma'am.
तो ऐसी चीजें तो थोड़ा सा अवॉइड कर देंगे।
Yes, ma'am.
हो सकता है कि और कोई चीजें जो आपको रियली में लगता है कि मेरी ग्रोथ में इम्पैक्ट करती है,
I
मैं
will think about two,
हाँ
2-3
जैसे
minutes.
कि आप फिजिकली नहीं आप कर पाते हो एक्सरसाइजेस,
Yes, ma'am. Physically.
है ना, वो जैसे आपने वो IIT वाले पॉइंट्स बोले, दैट वर ब्रिलियंट,
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो थोड़ा सा आप उसको देख सकते हो। और फिर वो बस क्रॉस क्वेश्चन बहुत बार हुआ
Yes, ma'am, I
है
get
ना,
it.
वो नहीं करना है। अच्छा यहाँ पर ये आपने सुसाइड्स के लिए भी मेंशन किया। व्हाट आई थिंक इज until and unless they have mentioned specifically some extreme worded statements, I could have followed it with some counter questions, but I avoided that. But this would show a certain negative tendency, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is not a very common scenario. This is one in a rare case.
Yes, ma'am, yeah.
It is not happening each and every day, but yes, some students have done this, but possibly can be avoided.
Yes, ma'am.
Because I'm talking only about stress and anxiety and depression. Now you are taking it to another
Suicide.
level, suicide. So this might give a negative feeling also
Yes,
कि भाई ये ऐसा, फिर वो हो सकता है आप उसको अगले क्वेश्चन को आप हैंडल ही ना कर पाओ।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो इसको रहने देंगे। फिर learnings, which is fine that you learnt from your peers who were smart and you learnt all those aspects, but और अच्छा भी तो हो सकता है, और
Yes,
क्या, और भी तो बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा IIT से, एक रिफाइंड वे में जीना है, ये भी तो बोल सकते थे कि वहीं से मुझे ये जो रिगरसली पढ़ना, इतना सिंसेरिटी से रहना, वो मुझे
Yes.
वहीं से आया है ना, बहुत सब कुछ सीखा होगा और IIT
Time
से।
management also.
टाइम मैनेजमेंट, यस। और क्या सीखा होगा प्राइमरीली?
Ma'am, I learned diversified approach to life. Like we have to adhere to the curriculum of IIT also, and in that place we have to also learn other things. So that, and I have learned multiple things, but I'm not able to articulate in terms of 3-4 words.
But please see
Yes,
that your interview is approaching, and this is one opportunity which is once in lifetime
Yes, ma'am.
opportunity. You cannot let it go just because you did not prepare it.
Yes, ma'am.
Probably the questions that we are discussing, none of which can be asked, some of which may be asked.
Yes, ma'am.
Some questions which we discussed today might be leading to some other questions which might be asked in the
Yes,
final
ma'am.
interview. So we should be prepared at least about our basic things.
Yes,
कि
ma'am.
मैंने ऐसा किया तो क्यों किया, है ना? I Stupa, now see, you're from this background, engineering and this. Now you only mentioned water freezes, है ना? Which was good.
I
Water
was just aware,
freezes.
ma'am, about that it was initiated by Sonam Wangchuk and
Yes,
it was
yes.
rain harvesting technique.
Yes, yes.
So, but
So
I'm
water
not aware.
freezes. So from that only I took the cue and asked you the next counter question, because this is the mechanism which has been done only for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
I was
this
not
is
aware
kind
of
of
the
artificial glacier. है ना?
Yes.
Now you recalled it.
Yes.
Yes. So just think about, so for example, just bifurcate India's map into 4 or 5 regions,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
just think that from my field, what I would be able to contribute across Rajasthan, across Himachal and this hilly area, across island regions, what can be the potential that I can put up in.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am.
So that is important. And by 2050, again see, your vision about yourself should be very clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Why alone civil services? This is too narrow an interpretation.
Yes, ma'am.
So yes, mention that, sir. If I get selected, then I see myself working in civil services as a very good administrator, contributing into 2 3 fields which are majorly 1 2 3.
Yes, ma'am.
But if I do not get selected, I am practical in my approach. Okay, and I would pursue further my post graduation from this university across EA, and then I will be pursuing this. But I see myself as a career oriented person, which is nothing wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so see, आप एक कैरियर ओरिएंटेड हो सकते हैं, आप एक फैमिली ओरिएंटेड हो सकते हैं, आप ऐसे हो सकते हैं that you want to do lot of social work, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
So now 3 things which you mentioned. I will be working as a civil servant, invest in education because I want to be continuously harnessing my potential, relationship with family. I need to work upon that. Now this is something which came multiple times in our discussion.
Yes, ma'am.
So seemingly my interpretation is that rational arguments about you yourself, you are somewhat connected with your family. There's a lot of
Yes,
that
ma'am.
thing that is coming in your answer. What about you? I'm asking about you. What are the 3 things that you see affirmatively in your personal growth?
Yes, ma'am.
When you will be working upon yourself as a person, then your relationship with your family, with the surrounding environment, peers, etc., that would automatically
Yes.
improve. Understood?
It is in implied concept.
Yes. So now you tell me what will be the 3 things. अब क्या अब सोचो. अब जो सोचते हो, अब तो विजन है कि ये मैं करना चाहता हूँ, मैं कर नहीं पाया. But अब I'm earning, I'm more independent, I would be working on this aspect. किसी को गाना गाना बड़ा पसंद था, but वो नहीं सीख पाया. तो वो सोचता है ठीक है मैम मेरी जॉब लग गई है, मैं एक अच्छा सिविल सर्वेंट हूँ, ठीक है मैं अपना काम कर रहा हूँ, बट मैं साथ में गाना भी सीख लूंगा, मैं स्विमिंग सीख लूंगा. दिस इज समथिंग विच आई चेरिश. आई वांट टू रियली डू दिस समथिंग. तो ऐसा कुछ
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
होगा. ऐसा क्या होगा बताओ 2050 में आप जो कर रहे होगे.
First is extensive traveling. I have
See-
avoided traveling in past due to
Yes.
preparation of multiple exams, but in later I would like to explore the world more.
Yes.
And second is, ma'am, again in terms of education, the point was real, ma'am. I want to have multiple degrees in diverse field,
Which is
just
fine,
to
which is fine.
learn about various things.
Correct, correct.
Ma'am. And third, ma'am, in terms of career only, I want to go into certainly banking sector, ma'am. Like RBI governor.
Mm-hmm.
In that terms, not only governor, it is
Hmm.
very subject to various conditions, may qualify various
Definitely.
years, but
Yes.
like chairman of a bank or anything that I might target that I may not achieve, but
That is something else. But yes, you can
in
always
terms of
mention
banking
it.
sector, ma'am, I want
Yes.
to be at a high position in bank.
Yes, yes. So these were the things that I wanted in our conversation.
Yes, ma'am.
Which were not coming. Then again, in this last question, that is around the marriage. Okay. So see, even here, the rational argument is missing. Okay, so you mentioned that marriage is relevant, but now mostly because of the Hindu religion system.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, this is not an argument which you will produce there. हिंदू क्यों आपने वर्ड बोल दिया? मैरिज तो सभी में होती है यार.
Yes, ma'am.
कंसेप्ट तो सभी में है, क्रिश्चियंस में भी है और मुस्लिम्स में भी है. ये तो क्रॉस रिलीजन है. तो
Yes,
ये तो ऐसा हम बता रहे हैं कि ये तो पूरा ट्रेडिशनल सिस्टम सिर्फ हिंदू उसके साथ ऐसे, विच इज नॉट करेक्ट
Yes,
एक्चुअली.
ma'am.
राइट. सो ये आंसर तो हम अवॉइड करेंगे इस टाइप का. मोर रैशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So rationally हम क्या बोल सकते हैं? That it is because it is necessary so as to bring cohesiveness in the society. Okay.
So it is also a legal bond that ensures the rights of bride and
Yes,
grooms also,
correct.
and
Of children
fosters
also.
a relationship among two
Yes.
persons.
and this is something which brings so much clarity in the society.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
otherwise everything would be so random and so hypothetical, right? So then you yourself you mentioned about the living relationships.
Yes.
Now, which brings a counter argument in your answer itself. So you first of all say that yes, marriages are necessary, but you yourself are producing a counter argument that sir, living relations are also becoming important, and this is because of the Hindu religion. So now I think that because he is saying this because of compulsion, because you are in interview.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? So if you think about any particular topic, about any particular theme, in a way which you think, if you think that it is not much relevant, then stick to that point.
Yes.
Sir, I think it is becoming less relevant as we have seen at least in the metropolitan areas. And nowadays we are also seeing an increase in the living relations. So my personal belief is that it is not much relevant.
So I can tell against also.
Definitely, that is your viewpoint,
Yes.
right? But if so, that is what I am telling you. Just एक last इसको अच्छे से समझ लेते
Yes,
हैं. For example, if you are not very keenly firm on this idea that you should have done IIT,
Yes, ma'am.
so you need to stick on that. That yes, sir, I have done IIT. I have learned a lot from that, but that was not the necessary condition.
Yes.
Okay. And currently, I feel that I always wanted to be a civil servant. Okay, then stick to that. But if you think that IIT did not really help you in your civil services examination preparation or something like that, then you need to believe in that
actually.
ideology. The problem which is coming is that you think something else, but you are saying something else, and that is being reflected in your answer.
Diverging opinion.
Yes. और उससे क्या होगा ना कहीं you will get trapped.
Yes, ma'am.
That would happen. And believe me, within a span of 20, 25, 30 minutes, that would happen.
Yes, ma'am.
You will think that possibly I will not get caught up, but they will catch you. है ना? तो थोड़ा सा हमको आंसर्स में ना वो एक बैलेंस मेंटेन करना पड़ेगा कि we are saying what we believe in.
Yes, ma'am.
And again, so now this question, coaching institutes, this I had asked only from that perspective because you already mentioned about this aspect. आपने बोला ना quota.
Yes, ma'am. Potency.
So this reaffirms that you think that coaching is necessary. But in the last question you mentioned that no, coachings are not necessary. Okay, so just maintain that aspect.
Yes,
Everything else will be fine. Okay, so just stick to those points in which you have a belief, firm belief.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So I think everything else would work upon.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is there any question that you want to ask me?
Ma'am, I would like a suggestion from you.
Yes.
Like again from in informal mode, ma'am, I have filled the preference according to my preference and also my family preference also. In terms of IAS, IFS, then IPS. But my hobbies heavily aligned with mysterious documentaries and reading novels. So every time I get a question like why I did not put IPS at the first position. So I'm not able to articulate in a better manner in any interview. So what should may approach while
Actually, I also saw that, and I was curious to know from you only that why, in order of preference,
Yes, ma'am.
it has come in the sixth order of preference. Why
Third,
is
ma'am,
that so?
third.
Okay, third.
Ma'am, in reality, ma'am, I thought that my physical strength that did not particularly suit up with IPS, and in spite of that, my diverse experience in terms of finance and mining better suits with any financial or IAS service. But ma'am, many mentors told me not to tell this answer, so I framed a different answer that IAS provides diversity, and also my mysterious applications can also be applied in policy formulation and other sectors, ma'am.
Yeah, this is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
This is better. Okay, so that is fine. But I don't think so that is much of an issue because
Yes, ma'am.
my hobby might be listening to music.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm
I
very
may
good
not
in
be able
singing
to
also, but it's
interest-
not necessary that I want to pursue that as a career.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, or maybe I can pursue it as a career, but not as a first order of preference.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm a very good swimmer, but I'm working as a teacher. Okay, so that doesn't matter. That is your area of interest. That is what you're interested in.
Yes,
That doesn't necessarily mean that in order of preference you have to put it into the first place.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that's it. So I think everything else we have discussed. So that is all.
Yes,
Saurabh.
ma'am.
All the best.
I will prepare and try to integrate all the feedback, ma'am.
Okay, just wait.